I'm Dave Morrow, Product Manager at OPW Engineered Systems, and we're at the 2014 ILTA show here in Houston, Texas. We have several new products that we're highlighting at this year's show, one of which is our LQC locking quick coupler that we wanted to show you. So we have a little demo here that I wanted to walk you through. If you have a quick coupling in any piping system, take a cam lock or any type of coupling, a union, and you uncouple that union while under pressure, very bad things could happen. You know, you could launch that coupling and have a serious spill, have a serious injury as a result. So the locking quick coupler has a safety feature built in that prevents you from uncoupling if there is any pressure in the line at all, and that's what we're going to show you here. So the LQC, if there's no pressure in the line, like we have right now, you rotate and it comes right off, okay? So now if we introduce pressure into this system, we now have very little pressure, just a couple of PSI, very little pressure in this line. If you try to remove this with pressure, it locks and you cannot get it off the line. If we take the pressure back off, again, zero pressure now, very easily uncouples. So the LQC locking quick coupler from OPW, the safest quick coupling available on the market today.